Okay, so this zodiac sign is a foodie and they love to eat, but most of the time they cannot cook. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Taurus. Okay, Taurus maybe the best zodiac sign of all because we'll come to that. First of all, Taurus runs late in every work because they like to take the sweet time and do things on in their space of time, and they just always doing the work before the deadlines. And but if you are with a Taurus, if you are dating a Taurus, or if one of your friends are Taurus, yeah, or if you have a colleague who is Taurus, then you can give him or her the work, and they will procrastinate, they will take time, but they will deliver the most amazing results. Okay, they will take the sweet time and they will deliver the result eventually, but they procrastinate a lot. Okay, um, Taurus, the most self-loving and uh, self-caring, and they like to prioritize their self, and they always into something like money related things, because whenever they hear or see something which is related to money, they immediately uh, go out and check for that. Okay, okay. But they Taurus are very much like to be independent because they don't like to take orders, and they really cannot work under specific conditions, and they will create their own space, and they will take their time, and they will do what they are thinking. They will take a lot of input from everywhere, but at the end they are going to do what they think is going to do that job. Okay, okay. And Taurus, headstrong. Okay, the bull sign, they are very much stubborn. Okay, अगर कोई चीज़ टॉरस ने ठान ली है कि ये मैं करूँगी या मैं करूँगा, वो करेंगे। और अगर मुझे इस इंसान से मुझे बात नहीं करनी, इस इंसान को मैं अपने लाइफ से कट आउट कर चुकी हूँ, मेरा इससे कोई नाता नहीं है, तो दे will ignore them like they don't exist. Okay, but if Taurus are most likely to be introvert, sometimes due to situations or any kind of peer pressure, they can be social, but they always say that I am not antisocial, but I am selectively social. Okay, and Taurus नॉट अप्रोचेबल बिकॉज अगर किसी दिन किसी पहचान के लोग को उन्होंने देख लिया रास्ते में, या कहीं से उन्होंने उनको देख लिया, या तो वो पहले अप्रोच नहीं करेंगे कि हाय कैसे हो, बहुत दिनों के बाद मिले, क्योंकि वो यही सोचते हैं कि यार मैं क्यों जाऊँ। हाँ, अगर किसी को मुझसे जेन्युइनली बात करनी है, स्टार्ट टाइम स्पेंड करना है, तो वो आके मुझको बोले ना कि ओके लेट्स गो। सो दे डोंट टेक द फर्स्ट अप्रोच मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम। ओके, एंड and if you have Taurus friends, and if you guys are planning a trip, so you can trust on Taurus, they have all the arrangements and they have playlist according to every mood. Okay, they have their own selective songs, and side by side they have songs of any mood, like ठीक है अब मेरा दोस्त उदास है तो ये प्ले अरिजीत सिंह का सैड सॉन्ग वाला प्लेलिस्ट। ओके मेरे दोस्त को कुछ फन सुनना है, कुछ क्रेजी म्यूजिक सुनना है, तो ठीक है ये ले मैंने चला दिया पंजाबी गाने। So okay, so yeah, that is Taurus, and Taurus are the most uh, genuine friends. Taurus, and if a Taurus is sharing his or her darkest secrets with you, then they consider you as an important person in their life. Okay. um, Okay. Taurus most likely to be mind their own business. अपने काम से मतलब रखते हैं, अपना काम सही से करते हैं। अगर आपने किसी टॉरस को देखा है कि ये तो बस पड़ा रहता है, ये तो कुछ नहीं करता, ये तो रील्स देखते रहता है, फ़ोन स्क्रॉल करता रहता है, आपको ये दिख रहा है, लेकिन वो जो कर रहा है वो अपना काम, अपना करियर, अपना स्टडी, अपना सब कुछ अपने टाइम के हिसाब से ठीक ठाक समय पर वो कर लेता है। ठीक है, या ओके। एंड टॉरस don't really like dumb person, because Taurus don't want to be around anyone who is dumb, because Taurus को लगता है कि अगर Taurus का कोई फ्रेंड है तो बट he or she is a bit क्या बोलते हैं, nerd or dumb maybe, okay, then Taurus will do their best to improve them. But if that is not working, then Taurus is okay, मैंने तो हाथ हटा लिया तुम पे से, तुम अपना देखो, मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया है, तुमको बहुत समझाया है, बट तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुम अपने रास्ते जाओ। ठीक है, ओके। बट Taurus are very much generous and very kind hearted, because maybe they seem like very rude, very okay, and but they have a soft corner for the ones they really love. Okay, and if you are dating a Taurus, and if you want to make sure that the Taurus person is love you genuinely or not, then you can do this. I mean to say कि अगर कोई टॉरस आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता है, तो टॉरस जिनको बस खाना खाना आता है, बट खाना ठीक से अरेंज करना या बनाना नहीं आता, तो वो ट्राई करेंगे, अपने एफर्ट्स देंगे खुद से, और आपके लिए एक अच्छी सी डिश बनाएंगे आपके पसंद का। तो समझ लीजिए कि या यू हैव गॉट दैट टॉरस। ओके, या फिर अगर आपका मूड ख़राब है और अगर टॉरस अपना फेवरेट डिश आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा है, या फिर अपने मनपसंद रेस्टोरेंट या कैफ़े में आपको लेके जा रहा है आपका मूड ठीक करने के लिए, okay, then they genuinely care for you। okay, and okay, so Taurus, lucky color is pink, lucky stone is emerald, उनका element है earth, उनका planet है Venus। okay, and the compatible signs, more compatible signs for Taurus are Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, and the least compatible signs Aquarius, Leo। okay, और आखिर में एक बात अगर बताई जाए तो टॉरस के बारे में, कि आप जो सोच रहे हो ना, you think you are always right, you think you are telling it because you are always hitting the right thing, and you're doing the right thing always. And and most of the time, at least 99.99% times, you are actually right. Okay, this is not because this is your trait or something that you do out of, you don't say anything out of nowhere. Okay, you surely you have done a full proper research on that, and then you're saying that this is this and this that is that. Okay, so most of the time you are actually right, and you give the best advices anyone can ever give. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you have a Taurus in your life, be your partner, be your friend, be your siblings, be in your cousins, be your colleague, have faith in them. Okay, they, if they actually genuinely care for you, they genuinely think about you, then they will never let you down. Yes. Okay.